In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at a new feature from Adobe Illustrator, which lets you generate and refine your text. So I have this invitation here, and I want to refine this text. Now there are several options we can use. First, we're going to select this one, and then as you can immediately see in my contextual taskbar here, I have an option called Rewrite. If your contextual taskbar isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose contextual taskbar there. But that's not the only option we have. Also in our Properties window here, under Quick Actions, we have Rewrite. If your Properties window isn't visible, again, go to Window and then choose Properties here. And then the other option you have is when you have it selected, go to Type and then choose Rewrite. And when you choose Rewrite, you get this contextual taskbar which lets you fill in a prompt, or you can leave it empty if you just want to rephrase your selected text automatically, or given a prompt to make it more your style or the style you're looking for. And do keep your prompts short and specific, makes it easier. So let's say we're going to go for make it less formal and more fun and relaxed. And when you now click generate, which by the way doesn't use generative credits, it will now generate text for you. And as you can see, it has rewritten my text. So this is the first option it gave us. And then in your properties window, as you can see here, we get 3 options. So this one is the first, then we have the second one, and the third one. And then it's just you choosing which one you like most. And when you found that one, you click done, and well, that's it. It has rewritten your text for you. You can still adjust it where needed, just like that. But that's a new option in Adobe Illustrator, the rewrite option, which lets you generate and refine your texts with or without a prompt. We can try this one without a prompt. So again, the same, you select it, then you click rewrite, delete the prompt, and then just click generate. And now it will do a rewrite of your text. Well, it will rephrase it automatically for you. And as you can see, you get all sorts of tips when you're doing this. Now it has rewritten my text for me. Several options. And the first one is the best, I think. And then you once again click done. But yeah, that's the new rewrite option in Adobe Illustrator. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.